welcome to my kitchen with an accent. Today we are making zucchini fritters. It is healthy, light and just delicious meal for every zucchini lover. Today we will need zucchini, eggs, cheese, wheat flour, dill and parsley, oil, salt and pepper for seasoning. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to grate our zucchini. As the zucchini is too much juicy, I'm gonna squeeze it out. I usually insert a colander into a large bowl. Place a gauze, then put the grated zucchini into the colander, add a pinch of salt, and put a bowl with water on the top. Alright, while the zucchini is squeezing out, I'm gonna grate cheese and chop dill and parsley. You may use absolutely any cheese you like. Well, I've done it, and now it's time I came back to the zucchini. I'm squeezing them even more in order to get as much moisture out as I can. As a result, I've gotten 370 grams of squeezed grated zucchini. All I need to do now is just mix all stuff in the big bowl. I'm adding chopped dill parsley, then grated cheese and 2 eggs. Now with flour and then a few grains of freshly cracked pepper. And now I'm just gonna mix this all together. The next step isn't obligatory at all, but it makes it easier to save beautiful round shape of the fritters while we are frying them. So I'm forming a ball from zucchini mixture. I'm placing it on a cutting board wrapped in food film and flattening it a little. Then I'm repeating it with the rest of the mixture. I've gotten 8 nice future fritters and now I'm gonna fry them a little. Well, everything is ready for the frying up our fritters. I have a large skillet here and I'm adding about 20 grams of oil there. I'm gonna let it warm up for a few minutes on a medium-high heat. So the pan is hot now and I'm taking my almost frozen fritters one by one and placing them carefully right into the skillet. I'm going to cover the pan and cook them for about 10 minutes on the first side on low heat. While the fritters are frying, let's cook really simple and refreshing creamy sauce. I have nice pickled cheese here. I'm gonna add sour cream and chopped dill and parsley. You may also season it with ground pepper. All I'm gonna do is just mix that all together until smooth. Now our fritters are golden at the bottom and I'm gonna flip them all one by one and cook for about 5 minutes until the beautiful golden crust on the second side. Well, now they are beautiful on both sides, so I'm just moving them to a plate covered by a paper towel. For serving, I'm placing 3 zucchini fritters onto the big plate. and building this nice little house from homemade crackers. For them, I've just cut and dried in the oven 2 pieces of the bread for toasts. And last but not least, I'm adding our gorgeous creamy sauce. It's time to taste it. They smell so good. They're so beautiful with this golden crispy crust and so gentle inside. Try to cook these fantastic zucchini fritters. Share your experience and comments, watch my other food videos and subscribe to my channel. Приятного аппетита!